In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your password. This is one of the first things you should do as soon as you get your new account. To do that, go to the top menu bar and click on My Settings. Once you arrive in your settings, scroll down and look at that bottom box titled Reset Password. In order to change your password, you'll need to enter your current password once and your new password twice. Notice your new password cannot contain certain characters and it is case sensitive. Go ahead and enter in your old password and your new password. When you're ready, click Submit. And now your new password has been saved. You can tell that has been saved because next to the Submit button, a green bar has appeared letting you know that change went through. If you'd like, you can log out and log back in using your new password just to be sure. And that's how you change your password in your TeamWork 5 account. Check out the next video to learn how to fill out your contact information.